Hey, good morning, guys. We made it last night to Shelby, Michigan. Shelby Township, Michigan. We got in about 8 o'clock, and we came right here, dropped the trailer off, and then went and found our hotel. The other guys got the truck parked down the street there. It is Thursday morning. We got here. It was actually a little over 10 hours, so we made some really good time. So we're getting ready to unload the bar. And you can see that thing. We did go through a lot of rain getting here, so it's a good thing we tarped this whole thing. Melissa, look busy for the camera. It's my job. That's my job. That's why I get paid the big bucks. So we got to bring the bar down the yard here, and it is going right where that conduit is. Kind of a tight spot for such a big bar, but hey, we're gonna make it work. We'll get some pictures later, take some more video too. But this is where the bar is going to sit, and we got a different type of roof for this one today. We got an A-frame roof with the openings being front and back, because when they open the window they want to be able to see right through the roof. So that's why we designed that one that way. So we all had a late night. We didn't get to our hotel till almost midnight. So it's probably about 9:30 right now. So we should be done. I'm hoping to finish here 3-4 o'clock today. We should be done. My customer, the Jennings, they are barbecuing steaks when we're done. And should be a smooth day, but we'll see. You never know what's going to happen. So until later. And I know I sound tired, I'm exhausted. But until later, Tiki Kev out from Shelby Township, Michigan.